Guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you watching this video right now. Thank you. My return subscribers, you guys are super amazing, and to my new viewers, you are also amazing as well. Please join the family by subscribing to my channel, and to you all watching, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like it, as it helps the channel grow. So my darlings, from the title and thumbnail of this video, you already know what it is all about. Mama is prepping for school lunch for her kids. Now, to those of you who have been watching my food idea videos that I pack for my kids to school, you know by now that I always try to incorporate the 5 classes of food. I do not joke with it, because these kids, they literally spend an ample of time in school. So I try to make sure they get enough nutrients from their food, if that makes sense. From the ingredients, I'm sure you saw liver. Yeah, I'm going to be writing the names of the ingredients that I use in making this food in the caption, okay, and also in the description box. So yeah, go back to what I was saying. I'm sure you saw liver, you saw lean meat, you saw fruits and other vegetables, and of course you also saw rice, which is the main food. Now, that's to say there is carbohydrate, there is protein, there is fat and oil, there is vitamins, and there is minerals, all in this food that I'm preparing for my kids to take to school as their lunch. Please relax and enjoy watching this video to the very end. I mean, it's a short video. Like it while you watch it. And to my new viewers, once again, do not forget to subscribe and join Becky the Mommy's YouTube family. I just had to do this brief explanation so you would know I don't just pack food for packing sake. I watch out for the ingredients, or rather I look out for the ingredients that I use in making my kids' food. Very important. Very, very important.
Coffee on the counter, you and my old t-shirt. Bare feet on the tile floor, laughing at nothing at all. Lean on the doorway, hair still a little out of place. I pull you in, say morning, like it's my favorite phrase. Sun on your shoulders, head on my chest, breathing in slow, like we got nothing left. Nothing but time here, nothing but this. Sun on your shoulders, soft, steady bliss. Curtains let the day in, lines of gold across your face. You trace circles on my wristbone, finding rhythm in the quiet space. Dishes in the sink and wait, messages buzzing out of sight. You say we should go somewhere and stay where you are. Alright. All of the noise stays outside our door. Hearing is a lie, I don't need more. Just your sleepy smile, your hand in mine, the way the world falls back. Rewind.
So my darlings, I'm done cooking and here I'm plating the food. As you can see, the rice is the main food, which they will be having with water. And the plantain chips is for their snacks time. You guys, for those who know me, I rarely, emphasis on rarely, I rarely, pack biscuits and packed juice for my kids. I always try my best to make homemade snacks for my kids, and for the days that I don't get to pack the fruits for them in their whole form, I juice it for my kids. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Thank you, my darlings, for watching this video. I appreciate you all once again. Please check out other videos in my channel. Bye bye.